Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here to talk about the third conditional. We only use the third conditional at very special circumstances. For example, when we want things to have happened in a different way. Imagine you have just heard that a friend died, and you didn't attend the funeral because you didn't know he or she had died. So you say, if I had known that he had died, I would have gone to the funeral. Another situation, your friend decided to pay you a visit and arrives at your door unannounced. What a surprise! You say, if you had told me you were coming, I would have cleaned the house. Or, I could have prepared something for us to eat. When you wish you had studied harder for the tests. If I had studied harder for the tests, my grades would have been better. About the structure, we use the past perfect in the if clause. If you had told me, if I had known. And in the main clause, we use a modal plus have plus past participle. I would have gone to the funeral. I could have prepared something for us to eat. My grades would have been better. Let's do an exercise on our course book. Upgrade Volume 3, Chapter 2, page 25. Match the sentences. Number 1. If they had driven more carefully, the accident wouldn't have happened. 2. If Susie had saved money, she would have bought her own house. 3. If I had listened to your advice, I wouldn't have gone out in the rain. 4. If you hadn't shouted, nobody would have come to rescue you. 5. If we had had leisure time, we would have had more fun. 6. If he hadn't married Susie, he would have chosen Liz. Thank you for watching.